All right, let's get started. The first step is to boil the potatoes and eggs. You'll need a saucepan, a mixing bowl, and a dish towel. First, pour water into the saucepan and add some salt. Add the eggs and the unpeeled potatoes. Place the saucepan over high heat. Fill the bowl with cold water. Once the water has come to a boil, reduce to moderate heat and boil for 15 minutes. Take out the eggs using a mesh skimming ladle and quickly transfer them to the bowl of cold water. Boil the potatoes for approximately 5 minutes more until they're soft. Then take them out and turn off the heat. Use the dish towel to hold the potatoes and peel them before they have a chance to cool. The next step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Cut the peeled potatoes into 1/4 inch round slices and season with salt. Peel the shells from the boiled eggs and cut each egg into 4 wedges. Cut the black olives in half crosswise. Next, peel the garlic. Chop the peeled garlic very finely. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to prepare the sauce. You'll need a mixing bowl and a mini whisk. Put the cottage cheese and the milk in the bowl. Add the egg yolks, garlic, and the mayonnaise. Then whisk the ingredients. Add the olive oil and whisk until the sauce has thickened. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, then stir. Lay some halved romaine lettuce leaves on serving dishes and place the potato and boiled eggs on top. Pour the sauce over the potato and egg. Place the black olives on top and sprinkle with paprika. It's ready to eat. Nice work!